Welcome back to the Tracy Show. Today I am sharing with you my latest make and a new favorite pattern, Butterick 6774. Some details about this pattern. So the fabric suggestions are, they suggest you use a cotton blend such as this Ankara fabric, crepe fabric, poplin, linen. Linen would be really cute in this fabric as well. And depending on your fabric width and your size, so if you have 45-inch width fabric, you're going to be doing maybe 2 1/8 to 2 5/8 yards of fabric. And if you have 60-inch width fabric, you're going to be doing 1 3/4 or to 2 1/8 yards of fabric. This is one of those patterns where you can do a lot of different color blocking things to it, print blocking, because it has a lot of different moving parts with your collar, your sleeve band, your 2 front panels. And I can just see another version in which you have maybe color block sleeve panels with your collar being in one color. If you like to add the pockets, you can do some pockets in different colors, as well as your button panel. So those are some options you have for this if you want to like jazz it up or do some funky things to it. I didn't do any of those to it, as you can see. One thing I didn't do also was the pockets. I really didn't like how the placement was on the pockets. I felt like they were up too high for me. So I just eliminated those on both of my shirts. Now I'm taking a look at the line art of this pattern, and all of the views all seem beginner friendly. You have your dress with 2 darts in the front, 2 darts in the back, and a visible zipper, a dress band at the top portion, and your straps. That is the same thing for your camisole top. And your shorts are simple as well. You have a couple of darts in the front as well as the back, and your invisible zipper. So this is a very beginner friendly pattern that you can try. During my pattern prep and fabric prep, I did make a note on the armhole section so that I can know where my sleeve band will be attached to. I aligned it along with the seams of the sleeve band as well as the armhole. So again, this was a really quick sew. I sewed up the front, the back, put on my sleeve band, my button panel, and I hemmed it along with my collar. Very easy, 2 to 3 hours to make. I really love the way they came out, and I may make some more this summer along with the shorts in the future. Thank you so much for watching the Tracy Show. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.